Screw connections are functional systems, and this is where a potential risk arises. If they loosen, system failures and consequential damages may occur, often with significant economic and safety implications. Every screw connection passes through several phases during its life cycle, from design and assembly to the elastic operating phase. During operation, embedding, creeping, and relaxation processes occur, resulting in a gradual reduction of the preload force. In the worst case, the critical phase follows, self-acting, loosening by rotation. This is exactly where the NSK system becomes effective. It supports the screw connection along the entire connection chain. In terms of design, preventively during operation, and reactively as protection against loosening. The advantages are clear: stable preload force, higher slip resistance, reduced screw load, greater design freedom, reliable in operation, integrated safety, a system instead of a single component. Already during the assembly process, the NSK washer ensures stable coefficients of friction and uniform surface pressure on the contact area. This forms the basis for secure and reproducible assembly with high process reliability. During the elastic operating phase, NSK acts preventively. Embedding, creeping, and relaxation processes are compensated by the available residual spring force, significantly slowing down the reduction of preload force. If the clamping force is nevertheless undershot in critical situations, the NSK washer switches to its reactive function and reliably secures the connection against self-acting loosening by rotation. NSK therefore provides clear advantages throughout the entire life cycle of the screw connection. More design flexibility during layout process, reliable assembly, improved compensation of embedding effects, more stable preload force during creeping and relaxation phases, maximum loosening safety in critical operating conditions. The NSK system is available for mechanical screw connections, electrical contact glands, earthing and electrical potential equalization, stainless steel screw connections.